Hi everyone, we have so many news in the crypto space this week as Mastercard bringing crypto onto its network and the mayor of Miami saying that they are going to accept Bitcoin as tax payment. And then we have the very first finally Bitcoin ETF launching by the Canadian securities regulators. So in today's video, we are going to discuss what are the impact of these. Hi everyone, my name is Yuxing and welcome to the Wild Finance. On this channel, I'm going to share with you guys my personal experience in finance and investing. So if you think that's interesting, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bells so that you will be notified once I upload new videos. Now with that said, let's dive in. Our first news, Mastercard now is also joining the party to bring crypto onto its network after last year PayPal and Visa both did that. And here is what they are saying. We are now here to enable customers, merchants, and businesses to move digital value, traditional or crypto, however they want. It should be your choice, it's your money. Now, I do think this news is much bigger than the Elon Musk buying Bitcoin news. The reason is because Mastercard is truly enabling all the merchants and business that is currently on its network to also access the cryptocurrency network. We probably is going to see massive merchants and small businesses adopting Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in the near future. Next, we have the mayor of Miami coming out and saying that now the state of Miami is accepting tax payment in Bitcoin, and also they are looking into paying employees in Bitcoin as well. Let's hear what he's saying.
I want to thank the City of Miami Commissioners for supporting my resolution, which directs the city manager after analysis to procure a vendor to be able to offer our employees to get a percentage of their salary in Bitcoin, allows our residents to pay for fees in Bitcoin, and also would allow the city manager to cooperate with Miami-Dade County to allow for taxes to be paid in Bitcoin. It also requests of the state legislature that the City of Miami supports efforts to make Bitcoin an acceptable currency for us to potentially invest in the future. It's wonderful to be a very crypto-forward city in the City of Miami, and I want to thank my commission colleagues for allowing that to happen.
Wow, making Miami a crypto-friendly state and also looking into investing in Bitcoin in the future, and that's unbelievable. Now leave a comment down below in which state you think will be the next to accept the Bitcoin as tax payment. And last but not least, we have first North American Bitcoin ETF now approved by Canadian securities regulator. And this is absolutely huge because now any investors who has a normal brokerage account can access Bitcoin investment. And also this opens the door to the big players like pension fund and also hedge fund to invest in Bitcoin. So here you might be wondering, we do have some Bitcoin ETNs already. Like if you're in Sweden, you know that we have the Bitcoin XBT that is considered as an ETN. So what are the differences between an ETF and an ETN? So basically, ETNs are structured products that are issued as senior debt notes, while ETFs represent a stake in an underlying commodity or asset. ETNs are more like bonds in that they are unsecured, and ETFs provide investments into a fund that holds the asset it tracks like stocks, bonds, or gold, or any commodities, basically. So what here it is saying is that ETN is basically a debt. They issue a debt to you, and they do not actually own the underlying assets that you are investing. So it only tracks the price movement of an asset, but you do not own the underlying assets. But ETF is different. ETF actually allows you to directly invest in the underlying assets itself. So here the difference will be if you buy a Bitcoin ETN, like in Sweden, the Bitcoin XBT, So if the issuer, meaning if the ETN issuer that goes bankrupt, then all your investment will be gone. You will lose all the money. But if you invest in an ETF, so even the issuer of the ETF goes bankrupt, you will still have your investment secured because they invested in the real Bitcoin. So that is the difference. I want to shine some light on it so you understood. And that is why I think it is huge, because ETF is secured while ETN is not secured. So then definitely the big players like pension fund and hedge fund will choose ETF, obviously. So ladies and gentlemen, the gate has been opened and we will see money flooding into this space like never before. So make sure you grab a seat on the Bitcoin rocket and we will see each other on the moon.